Want to know how to save money instantly while shopping online? The Honey browser extension is your shortcut to automatic discounts. It works on Chrome, Safari, Edge, and more and supports over 30,000 websites including Amazon, Walmart, and food delivery platforms. Here's how it works. After installing Honey from joinhoney.com, it appears as a small edge icon in your browser. When you reach the checkout page on a supported site, Honey automatically pops up. You see a prompt like apply coupons. Just click it and Honey will test every available promo code behind the scene. No searching or typing required. The best one is applied instantly, often saving you $5, $10, or even more. You can also click the Honey icon manually at any time to view coupon options or track recent savings. It even offers cashback through its Honey Gold reward system. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily use Honey to save money while online shopping. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.